Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
With the CX-60, Mazda introduced the first of several next-generation models that will ride on the new Skyactiv multi-solution scalable architecture. It is an RWD architecture that can underpin 6-cylinder engines and plug-in hybrid powertrains. There have been rumors about the next-gen Mazda6 switching to rear-wheel drive, and the new crossover further fueled the speculation, though it seems that the sedan won't be powered by its rear wheels anytime soon. Mazda Europe development and engineering boss Joachim Kunz recently talked to Autocar and admitted an RWD Mazda6 would be absolutely awesome, but the market has changed a lot in the last years, and selling crossovers and SUVs is way more important than having a good premium sedan. Kunz basically ruled out a rear-wheel drive sedan from Mazda, contrary to reports from the last 2 years. It would be very nice to have the FR front engine, rear-driven concept and 6-cylinder engine for a Mazda 6 successor or a large sports coupe, Kunz told the British magazine. We would like to have it, but at this point in time, it's most important to sell SUVs. This SUV trend is continuing, and even more for Mazda. It's what's selling best. From what we are able to understand, for now, the current generation Mazda 6 is likely to remain on sale for at least a few more years. Mazda Australia Marketing Director Alistair Doak recently confirmed to Drive, there's some updates in the pipeline for it down the track. It seems that there's no successor planned for now, or, at least, it won't ride on the new RWD platform. With the Mazda 6 RWD basically ruled out, Autocar reports the rumored RX-9 sports coupe won't materialize as well. There has been speculation that Mazda will develop a 2-door version of the new Mazda 6 riding on the same RWD platform and powered by the new generation of inline-6 engines, which made debuts with the CX-60 crossover. Mazda is reinventing the brand, moving upmarket with a new rear-wheel drive platform, a brand new engine architecture with hybridization and inline-6s, and more luxury than ever before. What's more, evidence is mounting almost daily that the rotary sports car dream will finally become a reality. But one of the products we've been most excited about was the prospect of a new Mazda 6 sedan that would have rear-wheel drive and come powered by an inline-6. For all intents and purposes, this would be the perfect Japanese rival to the BMW 3 Series, and with the old FWD model dead in the US, the timing seemed perfect. It's a model that was long thought to be in development, but a Mazda executive has poured cold water on the idea, ruling out both the RWD 6 sedan and a 2-door coupe version of the same. Thanks for watching.